Hey, my name's Mike Millen and you're at my channel Chilling with Millen. Right now it's a beautiful day in Canada. We've got the last car show of the season right down here at Waterford, Ontario. The weather is great and I decided to set up here in front of this nice old beauty. Definitely got a lot of character. I'm going to be walking around this car show today, showing some great cars, but for now let's just enjoy this one. Well, it looks like I was more than right, guys. This truck definitely does have a story to tell. We've got, the interior is full of vintage photos. And check out the back here. I'm just wondering if we can get an interview with the owner here so he can give us a little bit of detail on what's going on.
That's it.
Well, it looks like I've gotten an opportunity to find the owner of the truck today. And I'm just wondering if he could give us a little bit of story here behind the pictures. Is that something you set up yourself, or?
Yep.
Oh, it is?
Old movie stars.
Nice.
Silent movies up into the 40s, because that's real women, real actors, and yeah, they're my favorites.
So, what year is the truck?
41.
It's a 1941. You built the whole thing.
It's on a newer 70s chassis.
Okay.
Chevy truck chassis, 1 ton. And I've been saving the bits and pieces for probably 25 years. I've lost track, and I finally got the time and place, and I put it together, and that's it. Now I work with it, run it, and use it and abuse it.
You actually use it to tow?
Yep. I've towed over 100 cars easy, scrap mainly, right? For myself. Like I'm not like a business. I do my own thing, and you know, just for myself, and collect other old cars. Yeah. I've lost count of how many tons of scrap I've towed with it.
Well, I've been to a lot of these different car shows, and I got to say, this is probably one of the most unique displays that I've seen. It really, this basically is an era that you've done.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it, because that's how I think of it.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, you got it right there, man.
You want another coffee? I gotta go to the...
I'm good, thank you.
Good? You want something to eat? You good?
Nope, still good, good, thank you.
Back.
Okay.
All right, give me a few more details. We got a 71 chassis. What do we got under the hood?
350. I used it because it was only rebuilt roughly a year before I finished the truck, and I thought, why waste it? So I threw that in.
Yep. That's a good standard engine too to play with.
Yep. And I got the shelves full of parts for it, and you know, all the newer drivetrain stuff, right?
Yep.
So easy to get parts for and easy enough to fix.
So you say you do some scrapping. You know what this is, dry weight?
Just over 8,000 pounds.
8,000 pounds. Yeah, I was running an 86, and I was running an 86 Chevy 1 ton back in 1990, and I think it was dry rate 6,000 pounds. So there's a lot of weight in this baby too.
Yeah, them chains way up.
Oh yeah, I bet they do. Yeah, I bet they do.
You know, I doubled the frame. Because I found even the best of the Chevy trucks, the 1 tons, break in the middle. And no, I mean, it didn't help that I was towing combines and Winnebagos and heavy trucks. I shouldn't have with what that thing was rated for, but this I'll have no problem with. I put extra leaves in, and So I got 17 on each side, and yeah. So it takes the weight okay. It does good.
Well, I really like what you've done with it, and I appreciate you giving me a little bit of time there.
Yep.
Thanks for talking.
No problem.
Yeah,
Glad you like it. And
yeah.
That interested. Thank you for that. Say it again. How would you put it again? It's more era.
An era. It's an era. Yeah, you put together an era here. You haven't restored a vehicle.
Right.
You've put together an era. Well, that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you can, just head on down to that like and subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and make sure to ring that bell notification so you can be notified of when I come up with some other great places to chill. So that's all for today, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Mike Millen. You're watching my channel, Chilling with Millen. So as I leave this fantastic car show today with this fantastic weather, I just want to leave you with one last question. Where will you chill next?